Hello everyone, get ready friends. March 4th is the night when Madrid will be split into two camps, Los Blancos against Los Colchoneros. Real Madrid hosts Atletico in the Champions League, and believe me, you won't be able to take your eyes off this match. It has everything: intrigue, tension and emotions running high, just like in a good thriller. Who will emerge victorious? Who will prove once again that they rule the Spanish capital? We'll figure it out together. Stay tuned until the end of the video for an interesting fact about one of the teams. Subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss top predictions and join those who are making money with us on bets. Plus, there's a free VIP bet for new subscribers on my Telegram channel. Now let's get started. Team analysis and statistics. Let's start with the home side, Real Madrid. This season, the team is showcasing little scoring ability, averaging 2.9 goals per match while conceding only 1.3. They also average 6.6 corners per game, and their recent matches are convincing 2-0 win over Girona, a 3-1 thrashing of Manchester City in the Champions League, and only a 1-1 draw with Osasuna. By the way, their last meeting with Atletico also ended 1-1, boring hardly. A derby is always a special story. Mbappe is in excellent form and could very well decide the outcome of this match on his own. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now about Atletico. They concede only 0.7 goals per game on average. Their defense is like a wall. They score 2.6 goals per match and average 5.7 corners. Recent results: a dominant 3-0 win over Valencia, a 1-1 draw with Celta, and another draw with Real Madrid. In the Copa del Rey, they put on a show with a 5-0 win against Getafe. But you all know Diego Simeone. He'll park the bus if needed. What about head-to-head encounters? Out of 53 meetings, Real Madrid has won 25 times while Atletico has only 11 victories. In the last 5 matches, 3 draws, and Atletico win in the Copa del Rey 4-2 and a fiery Super Cup match where Real triumphed 5-3. This upcoming match promises to be just as thrilling. Now let's get to the betting ideas and predictions. So what can we expect from this evening? Considering Real Madrid's scoring form and Atletico's rock-solid defense, I would guess this match won't be too high scoring. But a derby is a derby. Emotions, mistakes, set pieces, and plenty of battles. My main prediction and bet: 2-1 in favor of Real Madrid. The home support and their attacking form should make the difference. However, Atletico won't go down without a fight. Expect tension right up to the final whistle. Here are some other betting ideas for this match. Both teams to score, yes, confirmed in 58% of head-to-head matches. Total goals under 3.5, a classic choice for a Madrid derby. Real Madrid not to lose and total goals under 3.5, an optimal option for cautious bettors. Thank you for watching. Friends, if you want to keep earning with us, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget there is a free VIP bet for new subscribers on my Telegram channel. And see you soon. An interesting fact about Atletico Madrid: the club got the nickname Los Colchoneros, the mattress makers, because of the design of their home jerseys. In the early 20th century, fabric with red and white stripes, the same used for making mattresses, colchones in Spanish language, was cheap and easily available. The club's management chose this design to save on equipment costs. Since then, the red and white striped kit has become iconic, and the nickname an integral part of the club's identity. Interestingly, Atletico was long considered the club of Madrid's working class, positioning itself against the more elite Real Madrid. Another key fact: in the 2013-14 season under Diego Simeone's management, Atletico became the first club in a decade to win La Liga, breaking the dominance of Real Madrid and Barcelona.